Hey, welcome to SC Custom Designs. If you've been following us, you know that we built this wall. We meaning me, and it's still standing the test of time for the most part. So the tremendous advantage of making a wall out of these cinders blocks is that they stack and they go back and back and back, so they lean in toward what's trying to push it out. One of the biggest mistakes I see when I'm observing folks, the walls they put up, is through time they tend to push forward. There's no reason for that. So here we are over here, and you know, if you're following us, you know we got a new driveway. We're all kinds of excited about that. And I had to very quickly move these bricks when they were putting in the driveway. So not necessarily this part last minute. This was put in the very last minute. And this is great because this helps keep the dirt at bay a little bit on both sides. So what I found is as I'm putting them back, and I already started laying a couple layers, I have to dig farther in toward the hill, because I have to now suddenly make this turn. This is about where the asphalt is here, so I'm digging farther in, and I'll finish out the rest with these bricks. It's really not sure how far around I'm going to go, but it will be what it'll be. So not sure what I called the series to show you this project. I'm really not even sure what I